Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today we're going to go over how to set up and use a Ryobi door hinge installation kit. I bought this at Home Depot. It's not too expensive. It's about 25 bucks. This can be used with a router, or if you don't have a router, you could just use it as a chisel and just use this as a template. So today I'll go through all the different parts of it, as well as how to set it up for the different door sizes and hinge sizes. And then we'll go ahead and make a cut. All right, so out of the box, this is what the door hinge installation kit looks like. It comes with a bit here on the side, and it also comes with a drill bit and a screwdriver bit as well. But it's not real difficult to use. Basically, you're going to set it on your door like that. And then you have a clamp here, a plastic clamp on the side that you're going to twist. So it's tied up against your door. So you have your different sizes of hinge here. Standard one is usually about 3.5, but you could have a larger one. It goes all the way down to 3, and you're just going to push that little button down and slide it, and it'll go all the way to 3, or you could go all the way up to a 5-inch hinge for an older door. Okay, so another thing to note on this hinge kit is that not all hinges are going to be curved like this. So you do have the ability to take those curves out. So if you go down, if you flip it over, you can pop those out, and there's one here and one here. I'm not going to pop them both out, but you can pop those out. You can get it for square hinges. You also have this little bracket right here that slides right here. Now that would go down there, and if you had a router, you would just be able to go over the top of it like that, and it would just sink down like that. The other thing you got here is your router templates. So what you're going to do is you're going to set your router right on top of that, and just set your bit down at the bottom. Now this is a standard size, so once your bit hits the bottom, you're going to tighten it up. Now, if you have a thicker hinge, you're going to use this one here, and it'll dig it out a little bit deeper. And we'll show you how to do that. So, but that's pretty much all there is to it, all the different pieces of it. And now it's just getting it set up to cut. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my hinge size. Now, I'm just using a regular standard door hinge. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to 3.5 here. Set that down to 3.5. And then I'm going to find my location, which I've marked out already. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down like that. All right, so I am using a router. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my bracket here, and I'm going to slide that down. And again, that just gives me a level surface to work off of. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to pop out my bit here, and this is pretty easy. Just push forward and then slide it directly out. All right, so now that I've got the hinge tight on the door and I got my bit out, I'm just going to go ahead and take my router here. I'm going to stick that on top, like that. I'm just going to take my bit here, stick it right in there, and I'm going to let that hang down to the bottom here. Okay, so as you can see, I got my bit right here, and I'm just going to let that slide down till it touches the bottom here, and then I'm going to go ahead and lock it in place. Okay, so now that we've got our bit set, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut our hinge out. And like I said, you could just use you don't necessarily need to have a router for this. You could just use a chisel. In that case, you'd want to take this out, and really you're just going to use this as a template and draw a line around there and then chisel it out. But I have a router, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. So I'm going to put that back in. Go ahead and turn the router on. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and we're just going to loosen that up here. And there you go. That's it. Then you just put your hinge on there. All right, so that's how you cut out a door hinge using a Ryobi door hinge installation kit. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks.